way to Gausta ski center. But Gausta is the mountain, and it's one of the highest mountains in Norway. It has a huge ski center with alpine tracks, and it's also famous because it has the Gaustatoppen, which is the highest point on the mountain, and it has this tunnel made inside of the mountain to go from the bottom to the top with a train, which is just like really crazy, and we're going to try to do that tomorrow. Today we're just going to do some downhill, some ski, enjoy the day. It's a sunny, very cold day. Time for lunch with this amazing view. Believe it or not, that in front of me, it's a track. It goes down and it's red, it's not even black. We have a bit of a situation here. Oh shit. Okay, so we kind of put ourselves stuck between two black and no other option. So now we have to go down this. Look, you can see the whole city of Rjukan at the bottom of the valley. Daniel is a beginner on skis, he's better with snowboard. So he's going in front, just in case he falls, I can see it. Oh my gosh. Ai, amor, respira fundo. Tu consegues. Vai de rabo, amor. Alguma coisa, senta-te no chão e desliza. Cuidado. Eu estou-me a rir, mas isto não tem piada. Vai de rabo. Isso. Boa. I'm laughing, but I'm next.
Monica trying to be a Jesus. Well done.
Like a boss. Segue. Mas está marcado, é isso? Não, não, não é verdade. Não é verdade. Ok? Não pegaste o pau. Não tem. Que nabos! Onde é que tu vais? Onde é que tu vais? É por aí! Está tudo bem! Está tudo bem!
Traz o meu pau. Estava preso. Amor, nós somos mesmo bons nisto.
Estamos quase lá. Estamos quase lá. We are right now in Rjukan, which is a town in the middle of two really high, steep mountains. And because of that, it has shadow for 6 months of the year. So they don't have direct sun on the town for 6 months. So from September to March, no sun at all. So they have built a group of mirrors on top of one of these mountains to reflect the sun into the main square in the town, and we are going to try and find out this square. Of course now it's April, so there is sun in the town now, but until now they had no sun since September, which is just completely crazy. This is also an industrial town because it has a really big and famous heavy water factory, which I don't think it works anymore. They don't use heavy water anymore, but during the Second World War was really used, and so the town was built because of that industry. I don't know if you guys know what heavy water is, but it's used to do like bombs. It's nuclear. So yeah, but let's see if we can find the town square and spot the mirrors. You see, they call it Hydro's company town Rjukan. It's a company town, a hydro town, hydrobien. And this is the square where the mirrors point the sun to. Where? Yay! We found them! There! Fun fact, also, before they have the mirrors, they also wanted to have some sun, you know? So they built a cable car from the town up to the top of the mountain, so the people that lived here could take the cable car and catch some sun in the top of the mountain. So all this effort to catch some sun instead of moving to a town that is not in between of two very high hills. This is what we're going to do. We're entering here, then going 850 meters with the horizontal train, and then changing to a different train, kind of like a cable car, and we're going up 1,050 meters, and then we have to walk to this corridor, this tunnel, leave in this building, and go outside until the Hita in the top. There's a couple of other like buildings digged inside the mountain and with other tunnels.